Hi everyone, in this video I show you how to crochet a granny square. But if the magic ring isn't your favorite technique, this simple and stress-free method is a great alternative, especially for beginners. For my granny square I'll be using Drops Safran, it's 100% cotton yarn. Start by chaining 5. Now we'll be working all our stitches into the very first chain we made, that's the 5th chain from the hook. We are making 2 double crochet into the 5th chain from the hook. You can follow along with the chart on the left, the red arrow shows exactly where we're working right now. Now we are making chain 2. Repeat this pattern, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 more times, all into that same stitch. To start the second row, we first need to get to the chain 2 corner space, and we will do that by making 3 slip stitches. This keeps our work seamless with no visible joins. Now it's time to change color. I have pink one. And now we make chain 3. Now, before I continue, I'm going to secure the yarn tails. Now into the same corner space I will make 2 more double crochet, then chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. That's our first corner in this row. Then move directly into the next chain 2 space and repeat 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Make 3 slip stitches to move across the stitches and reach the chain 2 corner space. Using this little trick at the beginning of each row helps your granny square stay neat and seamless. From here, we continue the same pattern, working full corners into the chain 2 spaces and adding 3 double crochet into each new side space that appears between the corners. This is where the square really starts to grow, with side space forming between the corners as we build outward. If you are not changing color in next row, just continue with the same yarn. Make 3 slip stitches across the stitches to reach the chain to corner space, and the principle is exactly the same. After that, you make your chain 3, which count at the first double crochet, and keep going from there. And that's it, your granny square is done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye!